In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix you not receiving calls on your iPhone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, you might not be receiving all the calls that you want to on your iPhone, and this could be for various reasons. So the first thing that you want to do is swipe down from the very top right. This is going to open up your control panel, and you want to make sure that you are not on airplane mode. If you're on airplane mode, by clicking this, and if someone's trying to call you, they're not going to be able to reach you. So you want to make sure you're not on airplane mode, and you want to make sure your Wi-Fi is on and your data is also on. Secondly, while you're still in the control panel, make sure you are not in Do Not Disturb. So if you're in Do Not Disturb, this will basically mean that any phone calls you get, you won't get any notifications for them or anything like that. And the same thing goes for text as well. After this, you want to head on over to your settings application. And from here, you want to scroll down until you find apps. Once you press apps, you want to search for your phone application. You can either scroll down, or what I like to do is I like to search and just type in phone and go click on the phone application, which is the green icon with the white phone symbol. Now, once we're in here, we're going to want to change a few settings. You want to go over to silence unknown callers, and you want to make sure this is off if you're receiving phone calls from people that are not in your contacts. So make sure this is off. And also go over to your block contacts, because if someone in your block contacts that you might have blocked a while ago is trying to call you now, you're not going to receive it. It says you will not receive phone calls, messages, email, or FaceTime from people on the block list. From here, if you prefer Wi-Fi calling, you can also turn on Wi-Fi calling on this iPhone. It says make and receive phone calls over Wi-Fi with your EE account. Review your network provider's emergency calling information to understand the availability of emergency calling over Wi-Fi. So once you've done all those settings, you should be able to receive calls a lot better. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.